What?
5 minutes. I'm actually nervous about this fucking thing ringing now.
Why? You've hair muffs.
I know, but just the thump of it. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Hello, ladies. Alright. Congratulations.
Okay. Okay, now.
Chris, over there. There's two birds alive. Few minutes. I'm actually nervous now, they're fucking ringing.
Huh?
You can see it in there, there's comments. Well, this is Trim Church Bell. Chris. This is Trim Church Bell, made in Dublin. Let's see, this is a nesting ground. We're about 200 foot in the air, halfway up the church. And set now. It is 11:57. It's going to ring in 3 minutes. As you can see, there's two hammers here, electrical chains, two electric motors down below. We're just going to strike the bell and scare the living shit out of us. Smile!
Brilliant.
The chain through there. As you can see, this used to be a swing bell. Because the hammer's hit it, it's not a swing bell. But this wheel, it used to be a swing bell now. There's a chain there, which went right through this hole here, which probably went down 100 foot to the organ. And that's where some guy, woman, would push down the rope to make the bell swing to make it ring. So yeah, that's Trim Church Bell. Sorry? My best guess, it was modified about, I don't know, a couple of years ago.
Say, a few years ago.
We have a few minutes left.
As you can see, it goes up way higher again. As you can see there.
To the people of Trim, 1880 is written on the bell. 1880. Maybe 100, what is that, 120 years?
What age are you, Jonathan?
I'm 17, Chris.
So it was made long before you.
Long before you. By, hold on, I have a name. M. Byrne. Chris.
Hold on, I'm just going to show the It says purchased by the good people of Trim.
1880.
Hold on,
I can't get the rest of it.
I have to step down.
It was built by M. Byrne. It says it here, and it says it on the swingway up there. The frame is made of mild steel, and the bell itself is made of copper, I think.
Burns must have been the makers of the bell.
M. Byrne.
It says it was purchased by the good people of Trim.
We have to see what's on the other side of that description too. I can't read the rest of it. People love Trim. I think it's very.
Okay, Jonathan. It says it was purchased by the very good people of Trim, okay? In 1880 by the very Reverend Duncan.
Reverend Duncan. Is that the guy that's buried in there?
Yeah. And he was the pastor of Trim at the time.
And his grave, you can just see it out here.
And his grave is out there, is it?
You can see it.
Overlooking the bell. We'll have a look at that now in a second. Nice one. Alright, shall we head?